black shorts and socks. Here's kickoff. On our show that Ott is not the tallest player, but he got a really good header against Aguilas Yumak FC. Here's Raven. Cut back to Ott, and it's... well, there's a flag up, so this is not going to count. Oh, here's the replay. Can't really tell from that angle, but it might have been Ray actually.
Mike Ott.
Yamazaki goes in towards Ott. He's there again. 1-0 to Kaya FC Iloilo. And Ott made that look so easy. Chesting down that pass from Yamazaki. And he slots it into the far corner with his weaker foot.
And Mike
finds Martini Ray. Here's Raven. Early cross. Blocked. Sent in. It's a very high one. Met by Muenz. It's a mess. And from that mess, Martini Ray takes advantage and makes it 2-0 to Kaya FC Iloilo. Mendiola just couldn't clear their lines in that play. And just 18 minutes in, they're down 2-0.
Martini Ray gets himself on the score.
Ball straight to Doctora. No offside flag. Or the offside flag did come. Here's the replay. Doctora was already offside in this case. Cortez, who is much taller than him, going to be coming on after all of that. Here's Raven. Oh, good play. Raven with the cross. It's going to be met by Angeles, and that's 3-0. Valenzuela, PB Mendiola down to 10 for the time being. And Kaya take advantage of it with a header from Angeles. Good work from the defender in Raven to manufacture that cross.
Raven.
Ball is sent in. It's met by Yamazaki. And it's picked up by Raven, and they'll start a counter-attack. Here's Ott. Basindanan. Man over. It's Ott through on goal. Can he get his second of the match? Cuts inside and gets his second goal. Brilliant from Ott. Look how easy he makes it look. Drops a defender with a fake shot and finds the far corner. Absolutely no chance for Etheridge in that play. And just like that, it's 4-0 to Kaya FC Iloilo.
Kaya FC on that quick transition.
Here is Ott. Combining with Bugas. Crossing opportunity. There's Ray in the box. Bugas cuts inside. Delays the cross. Good footwork. Cross is sent in, and it's going to be met by Basindanan. And it curled from out to in. And it's 5-0 in the first half. What a volley.
Basindanan, just a few minutes, 2 minutes ago rather, gave that assist to Mike Ott and eventually gets one for himself. Attack with the movement and the interchange of players has been really good.
Oh, this might be the first yellow card of the game.
Matchup.
This might be another goal. Here's Martini Ray through on goal. This time it's saved by Etheridge. The chance still on here. Bugas with the cross. Etheridge with the punch, and this time Mendiola escaped. Here's Muenz though. Shot is over.
Playing career from collegiate football, eventually playing for club football as well.
Oh, Magnus Toffner might be in here. Oh, good defending from Fofana, and he might have hurt himself from that.
PM Umbayloro sa weekend. And we dissect, break down, and talk more about the games, the players, and all aspects of the PFL.
Chance maybe for Anok. Oh, and he skied it. Back to Ray. Good play from Kaya. Toffner down the wing. Early cross. It's going to be met by... looks like handball, but Basindanan takes a shot. And just like that, 5 minutes into the second half, it's 6-0. Another for Sherwin Basindanan. Valenzuela, PB Mendiola unable to defend that cross from Toffner. And yeah, it's 6-0.
Kaya FC Iloilo just picking up where they left off from the first half.
Bouncing around, picked up by Muenz. Is this another counter-attacking opportunity? They scored from one in the first half. Bedic is through in behind, no offside because he was in his own half. It's going to be picked up by Basindanan. Hat-trick for Basindanan. Another counter-attack. They scored a similar one in the first half. clinical as ever from Kaya FC Iloilo, and it's now 7-0.
You just have to love that confidence coming in from Basindanan. Again, Kaya FC Iloilo in this matchup. It was Mendiola who had the corner.
Oh, Bedik's through on goal. The shot might turn into a pass. Bugas. Here's Fayol. Looking for the switch. It finds Ano. He has a player outside of him. Ano goes for the strike instead. Free kick. Out swinger. It's met by a Mendiola head. It goes over. I think there was a deflection in that play, so it's going to be a corner kick. Corner, or set piece rather. It's met by Ano.
Couldn't get there in time. He now goes for that corner delivery.
Bata with the punch. Ano will pick it up, but it's nicked by Thofner. Will Kaya start another counter-attack? Oh, this is a lot of extracurricular activities. Not what we want to see. Referee having to calm down both sides. Oh, it's a red card, direct red card. 2. It's 10 versus 10, like last night's match between Manchester United and Chelsea. Well, lightning strikes twice in the same weekend. Well, I've not seen that for a very long time, where in the same play, there's 2 direct red cards. And it's 2. What happened here? Okay, well, clearly had a lot of exchange of words. Referee not having any of it. So Mick John Pineda gives both a red card. He had no thoughts about it. It was just red card now. So he stops the attack for now. Ray gives it to Lucas Del Rosario. Has acres of space to run into. Del Rosario. Still Del Rosario. Del Rosario hits the side netting. Dick is in acres of space. Melisa, fresh from the bench, has legs to run into. Muenz. Lucas Del Rosario through on goal. Will he go for a pass? It's Muenz. Oh, and it goes wide. Fortunately, just slowing down the attack. The coach of Mendiola putting his hand on his head. Offside there for Fayol. For Kaya. But again, they're in no rush given the scoreline. Still Angeles. Lucas Del Rosario to Bedik. Shoots! There you have it, 8-0. And Joven Bedik, after trying multiple times, finally gets his goal off the bench.
Kaya FC Iloilo. Doesn't matter if they're 11 on the pitch or 10.
There you have it, full-time whistle from the referee.
You also lost a defender for your next 2 matches. Despite that valiant effort from Kaya FC Iloilo.
Gusto ko lang mag-contribute sa team. Gusto ko rin na i-prove na maging part ako ng rotation ng team. Shout out sa fans ng Kaya Football Club Iloilo. Palagi lang mag-support sa kahit sa live or dito sa Rizal.